Hello everyone! Today I am going to show how I made these beautiful Rakhis of Lord Jagannath and Balabhadra. So do watch till end. These are the things I have used. Now let's get started. Cut two circles of diameter 3 cm each of the chart paper. Now let's color it to make Lord Jagannath. Use a reference picture for the detailed artwork. One of the best relationships on earth is that of a brother and a sister. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to mark this sacred bond where a sister ties this holy thread on her brother's wrist, praying for their long life and well-being. Brothers, in return, vow to protect their sisters throughout their life from every evilness of this world. This thread symbolizes love, lifelong commitment and protection. I really look forward to this day every year. It's so very special to me. I hope my video helps all those lovely sisters out there who wish to gift their beloved brothers handmade Rakhis. Now let's varnish it. Varnishing not only gives a shiny look, but it also protects the Rakhi from getting worn out if exposed to water or dust or anything. Likewise, I have also made Lord Balabhadra alongside. Now, take two circularly cut foam papers, one of 4 cm and another 5 cm diameter, and paste one above the other as shown. I have taken these glittering stones to decorate our Rakhi. Now, take a threaded needle and put beads in it. Make 5 groups having 5 beads each and cut the thread as shown. Now, paste it as shown using a masking tape. Paste another circularly cut masking tape on it to make it firm. Now, let's add ribbon at the back. And it's done! Both the Rakhis of Lord Jagannath and Balabhadra are now completed. I hope you all enjoyed making Rakhi with me. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Please share your thoughts on how you liked this video. Always trust your reflexes and keep creating. Bye bye.